If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions on continuity. So in this lecture we will be seeing from question number 7 to question number 13. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Now in 7, a function is defined by this. If you have to evaluate LHL, RHL and hence state whether these exist or not, whether limit exist or not. I think we have already done it in limit chapter. Okay, let's do it one more time. So I am doing RHL, that is 0 plus, so little more than 0. So for little more than 0, which value you will take? This one, 3x minus 2, but instead of x I am writing 0 plus h. Now if you put h0, then it is 3 minus 2, h0 0 0 minus 2. Limit RHL LHL 0 minus f of x is equal to 0 minus h. For little less than 0, what value I am using? 2 minus 3x. Instead of x I am writing 0 minus h. So we can say these two are not equal, so limit does not exist. When a function fx is said to be continuous at a point a, x equal to a. Now you know when it is said to be, because when it is left hand limit, this original definition of continuity should be equal to right hand limit should be equal to f of a. You write this condition, then only you will say it is continuous at x equal to a. 9. Again, whether it is exist or not. Again you can do it in same way. I am skipping this one. 9 is exactly same, and I think I have done it in limit chapter also, same as 7. So now I am coming to 10. When a function is said to be continuous algebraically. Now if you are saying, they are saying continuous not at a particular point, that means in entire domain they are asking. So you can say fx is continuous if limit x tends to same, a minus is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x should be equal to f of a. But here you also write for all a belongs to the domain of the function. That means the entire domain of fx, at every point it is satisfying. At every point it is continuous, then it is continuous in the entire domain. But here they are asking at particular points, so only this much will okay. But here they are asking generally when you say a function is continuous. When at every point, for all a, this is for all a belongs to the domain. In the domain of fx, at every a it should be equal. Then at every a it continuous, then you will say overall it is continuous. 11. Examine the continuity. Same type, again I am doing LHL, limit x tends to 3 by 2 minus f of x. So little less than 3 by 2 you will be using this one, 3 minus 2x. Instead of x I am writing 3 by 2 minus h. So if you put h0, then it is 3 minus 3 0. 2 cancel, 3 minus 3 0. RHL, so it will be 3 by 2 plus h. So little more than 3 by 2 you will be using this one, minus 3 plus 2x. Instead of x it is 3 by 2 plus h. So again it is 0. So your LHL, and at 3 by 2, what is the value of f3 by 2? At equal to 3 by 2 you will be using this one. They have given at equal to 3 by 2 to use this one. This is also 0. So your LHL, RHL is equal to f of 3 by 2, which is all are equal to 0. So therefore it is continuous. Now 5 is this, prove that this is continuous at x equal to 0. Now for proof you have to do LHL, RHL all. So for if I do LHL, RHL, LHL is little less than 0, 0 minus h. So if it is not equal to 0, little less than 0, so here not, they have not given greater than less than. If it is not equal to 0, it can be greater, it can be less, smaller, higher, you will be using this one. So we will be using this one, 1 minus cos x, you will put 0 minus x, h, x square 0 minus h whole square. So cos 1 minus, limit h tends to 0, cos minus theta is cos theta, and this is h square. 1 minus cos square is 2 sin square theta by 2. You have given this 2 extra 4, that is half. So this answer is half. This is 1. There is always limit h tends to 0 until the last line, where I have used this formula, limit h tends to, this is 1, so it is 2 by 4 half. Similar way, exactly similar way you will do limit 0 plus phi of x. Limit h tends to 0, now it will be phi of 0 plus h. 1 minus limit h tends to 0 is always there, don't forget to give this one. So it will be again half. You can see exactly the same thing is coming here, it is again half. And now you have to find f0 also. So at 0 they have defined it. At 0 what is the value? Half. So your LHL, RHL and f0 all are equal, therefore it is continuous. 13. Test whether it is continuous at x equal to 2. again same, so it will be left hand limit 2 minus, so it is 2 minus h. So for little less than 2, whether that means it is not equal to 2, we will be using this one, mod of, instead of x we will write 2 minus h minus 2 divided by 2 minus h minus 2. Instead of x I am writing 2 minus h, that's it. So it will be mod of minus h by minus h, that is minus 1. So if you go RHL, it is again 2 plus, so it will be h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h. So for greater than 2, again that will be not equal to 2, we will be using this one. For less than also this one, greater than or also 2 1, because if it is not equal to 2, then they will be asked you to use this one. So for greater than and smaller than, both this case it is not 2, that's why I am using this one, both this case. You can also calculate f2 is equal to, which is equal to 0. So LHL is not equal to, RHL is not equal to f2, therefore it is not continuous. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.